Hello. Today I'm going to be introducing and giving a quick demo of Trustgrid Watch, an AI-powered feature for alert investigation and triage. Today, whenever a Trustgrid alert occurs, your team has to manually triage this by logging into the portal, running diagnostics, potentially correlating events, and ultimately trying to find the root cause through this process. Trustgrid Watch provides a solution where alerts are instantly triaged using live node diagnostics, trying to find the root cause and then providing detail on what actually was analyzed, and also providing the ability to follow up on these analysis through a Trustgrid AI assistant. So how does this actually work? Well, first an alert fires, such as a latency threshold violation or some kind of connectivity violation, such as a node disconnect. Then Watch performs live diagnostics using tools at the remote site while the incident is actually occurring. Triage is then performed using these results and correlated with other events, and the root cause is found across the Trustgrid control and customer data planes. Finally, the findings are delivered, including the diagnostic steps taken and any recommended next actions via customer-configured alert channels.
And now I'm going to demonstrate Trustgrid Watch actually diagnosing an alert. For this test, I added a stress component to one of the gateways involved so that the additional latency introduced should cause a threshold violation alert. So I'm looking at the edge node that should receive this alert. I'm going to go over to the Trustgrid Alert Center, and I do see that there has been a latency violation alert. Then I'm going to click on this AI alert inside Sparkle, and we can actually see Watch's diagnosis here. First, we see his high-level diagnosis, which is that the high latency does appear to be caused by a high CPU utilization component on this gateway. And if we go down to why this is happening, we can actually see the detailed runbook diagnosis that he performed. First, he performed a latency test on this node to the gateway. He noticed that the internet path did appear healthy and that the majority of the latency did appear to be added at the gateway itself. Next, he performed a data plane status check between this problem gateway and another gateway in that cluster, and he noticed that this gateway did appear to be an outlier compared to the other one, which had a healthy latency. And last, he did a check on this resource utilization on this gateway. He noticed that the CPU did appear to be pegged at 100%, indicating that that was likely the cause of the excessive latency. And then if we check what do I do next, he indicates that we should examine the processes on this gateway and see what might be utilizing this extra CPU. So I'm going to go kill that load on this gateway. And now I'm going to go over to the alert assistant. I'm going to ask, is this problem still occurring? So at this point, he should go off and perform similar steps as he did in the initial diagnostics. He'll perform a gateway latency check to see if the latency has subsided, and he'll probably go check the resources as well to see if the CPU does appear to have settled down. And we can see, according to this checkup, that the latency does appear to be back to normal, and the CPU utilization is back down to 0.
This concludes my presentation on Trustgrid Watch. Just a quick recap on what this provides Trustgrid customers. It provides a faster time to resolution, issues are diagnosed the moment an alert fires, little to no manual investigation is required. Watch automatically runs live diagnostics in real time and synthesizes the results. It gives customers confidence during incidences. Every alert comes with an explanation of what the root cause was and what diagnoses were performed. And if needed, the customer can continue chatting about the alert with Trustgrid Assist to dig deeper down into the alert. Thank you for watching this demonstration.